Central Europe is a treasure trove of history, culture, and natural beauty. Nestled between East and West, this region has a unique story to tell. From majestic castles and charming towns to vibrant cities and stunning landscapes, Central Europe offers something for every traveler. Come along as we explore the magic of the Czech Republic, Hungary, Poland, and Slovakia. These countries are linked by their shared history and intertwined cultures. But each nation also boasts its own distinct character and charm. Prepare to be amazed by the architectural wonders, savor the flavors of traditional cuisine, and immerse yourself in the warmth of the local people. Your Central European adventure awaits. Our first stop is the Czech Republic, a land of enchanting cities and picturesque countryside. Prague, the city of 100 spires, will steal your heart. Wander through the charming Old Town Square, marvel at the astronomical clock, and stroll across the iconic Charles Bridge. Don't miss Prague Castle, a sprawling complex that offers stunning views of the city. Venture beyond Prague to discover the Czech Republic's hidden gems. Visit the fairy tale town of Český Krumlov, with its charming castle and meandering river. Indulge in traditional Czech cuisine, such as hearty goulash, savory dumplings, and refreshing Pilsner beer. The Czech Republic is a feast for the senses. Next, we journey to Hungary, a land of thermal baths, rolling hills, and vibrant cities. Budapest, the Paris of the East, is a city of contrasts. Explore the historic Buda Castle, relax in the famous thermal baths, and experience the city's buzzing nightlife. Beyond Budapest, Hungary offers a wealth of experiences. Discover the charming town of Eger, known for its historic castle and Turkish minaret. Explore the picturesque Lake Balaton, a popular summer destination. And don't forget to sample Hungarian cuisine, including goulash, chicken paprikash, and the iconic chimney cake. Our journey continues in Poland, a country with a rich history and a vibrant present. Explore the historic city of Krakow, home to Wawel Castle, the Jewish Quarter, and the poignant Auschwitz-Birkenau Memorial and Museum. Poland is also a country of innovation and progress. Experience the modern energy of Warsaw, a city rebuilt after World War II. Discover the thriving art scene in cities like Krakow and Gdansk, and explore Poland's stunning natural beauty from the Tatra Mountains to the Masurian Lake District. Slovakia, a land of towering mountains, pristine forests, and charming villages. Explore the High Tatras National Park, home to breathtaking peaks, glacial lakes, and cascading waterfalls. Discover the Slovak Paradise National Park, with its dramatic gorges, wooden ladders, and stunning views. Slovakia is also a country of rich folklore and traditions. Visit traditional wooden villages, witness colorful folk performances, and experience the warmth of Slovak hospitality. Don't miss the chance to sample traditional Slovak dishes, such as brinzové halušky, which are potato dumplings with sheep cheese, and kapustnica, a delicious sauerkraut soup. Central Europe offers a captivating blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. From the charming cities of Prague and Budapest to the stunning landscapes of Slovakia and Poland, this region will leave a lasting impression on your soul. Traveling through Central Europe is easy and affordable. Take advantage of the region's well-connected train network or rent a car to explore at your own pace. Embrace the local culture, savor the delicious cuisine, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Your Central European adventure awaits.